Good day, everyone. I'm OlaMaye, and welcome back to my channel. Today I am doing it's not a box, so I would say it's an unpackaging, but I'll just call it an unwrapping. This is a Dooney and Bourke purchase from, and I have my cute little Dooney and Bourke tissue paper here to cover my address. This is a Dooney and Bourke purchase from Facebook that I found on one of the Facebook groups. And I thought it was a pretty cute item. I have one very similar to it, but in a different color. So I got this one to add to it. There's nothing else in it, so I can put that to the side. And I'm not sure what year these came out, but I do believe I know the name of the silhouette from what I Googled. And it is a beautiful wristlet or clutch. And this is, correct me if I'm wrong in the comments, a Carrington wristlet or Carrington clutch. And the color, I'm not sure but how it looks on video, but it's like a teal color. And it's a rose floral print. But this particular color is teal with the red roses, and it has this very pretty tassel here in the cheddar leather, I believe. Very soft, light tan colored leather with the Dooney and Bourke leather logo to match. The interior on these are it is yellow. It does have the Dooney and Bourke tab inside, the authentication tab. But this one looks practically new. And I kind of had the same experience with my other one. I'll show you the other color I have. Let me move this tissue. The other color I have is, and bring the camera down a little bit. I think this is more considered online. I think it's described as pink, but it's really kind of like it's described as pink and purple, I think. But it's kind of like, I would say it's maybe like a light purple lavender color, but the roses are still red on them as well. And the backs, they're pretty much identical, just different colors. I got this one years ago. And I also found this one on Facebook too. I don't remember how much I paid for it. If I would guess, I would probably say I maybe paid like $20 for it. And it was just something random. I didn't really think about anything to match or anything. I just saw it on Facebook and thought it was pretty. And who knew years later I would get another one to match and have actual larger silhouettes that I can use these with. And that the material is kind of like I don't know if you would describe it as acrylic or not, but you can easily wipe it off. It looks waterproof. So these are definitely good to have to help organize your purses, or if you wanted to travel with them, because they could also hold your items with travel as well. So many different uses. These are the Dooney and Bourke Carrington clutch / wristlets. And comment below if you know what year these came out. Also, I have seen the larger silhouettes in these. So these come with they've come in like a satchel silhouette. I've seen totes with a pretty good shoulder drop on them. So I'm actually gonna keep looking to see if I find a tote or a satchel in either color that I would want to add to the collection as well. Another color these come in that I have seen is yellow. Actually the same yellow as the interior, and it has red roses on the outside. Also, I have seen white, the background being white, and then there's also a black. The black I've seen, I've actually seen it with the coating and without the coating. So I've seen like the black with the red rose that actually has the coated cotton look to it. And I've seen it with the shiny patent look as well. So these are two new cuties. Well, actually the old cutie is joined by the new cutie, new to me, as a part of my accessory collection and from Facebook. So this is another Facebook opening and find of Dooney and Bourke I'm able to add to my collection. Let me know again if you all have anything from this collection or this silhouette. Again, I believe it's called the Carrington Clutch. So I hope you enjoyed this quick video. Thank you so much for watching, liking, subscribing, and commenting. I really appreciate it. As always, everyone, have a very wonderful day.